Hey guys, how's it going today? All right, well, we're going to be working on subtracting fractions with uncommon denominators. This is going to start on page 62 in the math packet 1. Okay, so we're going to hop to it. We're going to work on number 2. Okay, a lot of people get scared of big numbers, and you shouldn't. We just got to break it down. So our problem is 84 over 120 minus 4/35. So sometimes having big numbers kind of poses a bit of a problem, okay? So I don't let it scare me. And sometimes I'm just not right off the top of my head. I can find a common denominator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 120 by 35. When I do the bottom, I have to do the top. And then I'm going to do 35 by 120. Okay, so this comes out to 2940 and 4200. Okay, and then the other one comes out to be 480 over 4200. Okay, all right, now we're going to do our subtraction. So 2940 minus 480 is going to be 2460 over 4,200, okay? Now, we can only do this with zeros and fractions. So if we have a 0 and a 0 here, we can cross that out. So it makes 246 over 420. So now the number's a little bit more reasonable and we can work with it, okay? So now we need to reduce it. We know we can't leave it this way. So let's divide it by 3, okay? We divide by 3. Comes out to 82 over 140. Well, I know I can go a little bit further. So let's divide that by 2. And I get 41/70. And I think that's as far as we can go. Okay? So don't let big numbers scare you. All right, let's work on number 4. 17/32 minus 3/8. Our common denominator is going to be 32, so I can move this one over. Okay, and this is 12/32, because we know this is times 4. 17 minus 12 is 5/32, and we can't reduce this any further, so that's all we got. Okay, now I'm going to go to the math worksheet, the first math worksheet that's in there, and we're going to do another problem here. This one's going to be 12/25 minus 12/30. Well, I'm going to do kind of the same thing. And I'm going to say times 30 times 30 and times 25 and times 25, which will give us 750 on the bottom and 360 on the top, and 300 here and 750. Okay, now I decided not to mark off a bunch of stuff, so let's look at this. So if we say 360 minus 300, we have 60 over 750. And I said, you know what, let's just divide this by 5. And it comes out to 12 over 150. And then I'm like, well, I know I can go a little bit further than that, okay? Like I can divide it by 6. And I come out with 2/25. Okay? All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions, worries, etc. Till then, bye.